So Mazazake here live. Everyone, I hope you can see me. I promised us I'm going to be here live today. Today is the 1st of October 2020. As you all know, Nigeria is celebrating today. For those of you that want to celebrate, but for many of us, it is a failure of independence. For 60 years, the nation has failed, and the nation has failed abysmally. That's why we are here. I've seen many people come out in Lagos. We have reporters in Lagos. They will be feeding you what is happening. And now here we are in the Trafalgar Square in the United Kingdom. It simple means that the people are not happy. Because the people are not happy, that's why everyone has come out to protest. If you look at my back, you will see Nigerians protesting. That means they are not happy. So whatever you're looking at now is live. Maz is okay here. You know, I would go and see if I can speak to one or two people here protesting today in London. We have the Oduduwa Republic. We have the Sowore, that is the Take It Back movement. And here we have the IPOB, that is the Biafran group. So there are many groups here, and that is what is happening. And you can be rest assured, as I promised us, that Mazizoke is going to be here. And here I am in London. So many of my fans in England and in London, at last I'm here. So amidst the whole COVID wahala, I'm here. So come and join me. If you want to have a one-on-one conversation, I'm here in the Trafalgar Square. So let's do justice to these people. So let's go ahead and see what is actually happening.
The Western world knows about it. It's time for them to come into our rescue and to say, okay, let these people go. The Igbo people said they are enough. They've had enough, they want to leave. The Yoruba people say enough, they want to leave. The Western world they don't have to wait until when we start killing each other. We want to be peacefully and let people go peacefully. It has happened before. This is not going to be the first time. So we want the Western world to help us. Whoever emerged as the president of the United Nations, come to our rescue. We are not bothered. It can be Trump, it can be Joe Biden, it can be anybody. We want the United Nations to help us. We are asking the European Union to come to our help, to come to our rescue. We are asking all the NGOs to come to our rescue. We are asking every individual that has power that can assist one way or the other to come over and assist us. That is what we are asking for. We've had enough of the fraudulent Nigeria. We want to leave, and it is time for us to leave. If we as Yoruba people, if we have our own nation today, we have everything that it takes to make a country. We have everything that is in place. We are ready and we are ready to move. And we want to ask everybody, please, let's go to the grassroots. Let's go to the local government, to every district, to the landlords, to the tenants, and let us broadcast to everybody and let us create awareness that yes, we are living, we are representing over 65 million people, we are representing over 100 million people worldwide, over 100 million old Jews, and we are asking Western world come to our rescue, come and help us. Oòduà agbèwà o, a ṣe é ṣe fún wa o, lájú wa ṣe o, àní ṣe lásán o. Ọkọ̀ Oòduà, ọkọ̀ Yorùbá, this is my bringing somebody to the fight now. This brother, this brother, you won't believe it, is one of the best speakers ní sọ̀rọ̀. Bọ́tà kọ́kọ́ tí wàá tó káà náà máa dúró bí akí. Ó dé bólúgbọ́ ó ṣàkí. Ó dé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀sà ó ṣàkí. Ó dé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọkùn náà làwọn ẹ̀jà fún gbogbo wa ni o. Ẹ̀jà fọmọ yín, ẹ̀jà fúnra yín, ẹ̀jà fún orílẹ̀-èdè yín. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń tọ́sí gbogbo ilé òní. Òṣèlú ọmọ ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́jọ́. Sinitẹ́sì òṣèlú civil servant. Kí ló jẹ́ civil servant? Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tí ògbó bọ̀ dání lọ́jọ́ rẹ̀. Ẹ bá ṣe rere lọ́jọ́ òṣèlú. Ẹ bá ṣe burúkú, ọ̀jẹ̀lú ni wọ́n. Ọ̀jẹ̀lú ni wọ́n. Wọ́n ti jẹ́lé wa máyé. Ẹni wọ́n tó fi ní 1960. Lẹ́ni agbára wọlé lọ́sà. Ó sì nínú ẹrú. Kò sí wọ̀sàn. Kò sí kẹ́sàn. Kò sí road. Kò sí commerce. Kò sí kẹ̀kẹ́. Ìyájà ọmọ wa. Ẹ bá sọ pé ẹ ń sùn. Olúwo lẹ̀ ń sùn. Níwájú adájọ́. Ọmọ tí gbogbo wa jí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jí. Ọlọ́run ti gbà fún wa. Ọlọ́run ti gbà kó ṣe. Ẹ̀yin máa jò ṣe. Lẹ́yìn bá ti jò ṣe. Ọlọ́run ò ní sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá bá wa o. Ẹ má gbàgbé. Ẹ má gbàgbé. Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ máa jà fúnra wa. Wọ́n gbà ìwé òṣèlú ìkà ni wọ́n. Ìkà ni wọ́n. Ọmọ olùkọ́ ló ń tẹ́jú. Àwọn tó wọ́n ti lẹ́yìn àkàwé. Àwọn tó ló ń fẹ́ kọjá. Kí ni wọ́n sọ? Ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ wa ló jẹ́. Wọ́n bá pàṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. A máa gbé ilé iṣẹ́. Wọ́n bá sọ pé kọ́ọ̀tù ìdílé jẹ́ náà ṣe mílítírì ni wọ́n ní. Ẹ̀rọ ń ju ẹjí náà. Ẹjí! Ẹ kú ọ̀lọ́jọ́ ooru. Àtàbá dárúkọ wọn àwọn fún wọn lẹ́ni. They are useless people. They are useless people. They are useless people. Àwọn akíkẹ́, ọmọdún àti jí, ọmọdún àti dé, ẹ má sì mọ́, ọlọ́jọ́ gọ́ọ̀nà, alágbòdìdúwà, àmàkásí gọ́ọ̀nà. Presidential system of government is a fraud system. Cannot back to leaders of Senate, leaders of press. Àwọn Fúlàní ti gbé wọn síbẹ̀. Wọ́n gbé wọn sí gbogbo ìjọba. Àjẹ́ ń sùn. Àwọn ń wò wọ́n. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká tẹ̀lé ìwé.
This is in the early 80s, 1980. 19 states in those days.
Let me tell you what has not happened since the last a lot of the Fulani terrorists are coming into the country. They've invaded the north, they are smuggling them into the south, they are hiding in our bushes, they are killing, they are raping, they are taking over people, kidnapping and taking over people's land. And they believe that it is their right to entrench themselves on borders. So the level of is extreme. So Nigeria is not acceptable. Now the world has got to make two decisions, either of two decisions. They want to come together and help us get it together, but they want to refugee people. This is a country of about 200 million people. You know what that would be if there's still a refugee problem? So the world does not have a choice.
I understand what you're saying. In 67 or in the early 60s, had the Civil War. The federal government going after land.
Yeah, we understand what he's saying, but let me
Navarro, I don't dispute that again. I don't dispute that.
We don't want fight. We don't want war. Don't company you support. You surround us in war. When we went to war, now
now saying we are one with the we are not fighting anymore. So if you look the 2017 scheme, Fulani is not the owner of Nigeria. It is not Fulani Republic of Nigeria. And the state is federal republic. What they are ruling is unitary government of Nigeria. If the Fulani say we don't want to, that is why we are here. We don't want war.
It's either we get it or we take it.
They know about Biafra, they know
Mùsùlùmí dìde, Kírísítánì dìde, ìjà ọmọ alẹ́ lẹ́yìn, ìjà ọmọ alẹ́ lẹ́yìn, ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ka gbalẹ̀ wà. Ìgbọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ bá dìde, ìjọ kan ń bọ̀ aláṣẹ ọ̀yọ́ ti Fúlàní òsì. Ọlọ́gbàgbé, wọ́n ní Odùduwà àtàgbẹ́dúlé, wọ́n ti Fúlàní o. Olè ni wọ́n. Tí Fúlàní bá bá yí pé, wọ́n kọ́ sí Fúlàní ti kà kọ́lọ́nì. Wọ́n ń jẹ́ fún àwọn ilẹ̀, ìjọba fún wọn. Wọ́n máa ta màálù, wọ́n máa gbowúrẹ́, wọ́n máa ta gbò, wọ́n ti pa mọ́ọ̀sì, wọ́n máa gbowó yìí. Wọ́n da àwọn àjàmbá àti wọ́n máa gbowó yìí. The federal tax, you have to keep them out. No stranger, no defender. Wọ́n ṣe pé wọ́n ṣàwùsá. Àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ pé wọ́n ṣàwọ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ tí wọ́n ti gba Christian tó bá ní sùn náà. Ṣé wọ́n ta kù ṣọṣẹ́ lọ́sọ̀rọ̀? Ìgbọ́ ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ló ń jà fún ẹ̀sìn. Ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni o. Bí wọ́n bá ti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀, kò sáré ṣírí kan nínú Báíbù. Kò sáré ṣírí kan nínú Kùrọ̀. Ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní ẹbí dẹ́rù àwọn. Báíbù ọmọ yẹn ta, Christian ọmọ yẹn ta. Ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ló ní o. Àwọn tẹ̀lé ń jà lọ́wọ́. A máa kọ́ wọlé. Kí ló dé táwọn náà lè ti mẹ́ta? Ló máa jẹ́ kẹ́kẹ́.
Cannot continue with this shamble. Then we have 50 Nigerians who are out of school. We are calling on everywhere in Nigeria. It doesn't matter the state of the society. If Nigeria freeze,
Hello. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you, man. May I speak to you, sir? May I speak to you, sir? Okay. May I know your name, sir? Oluwaseun. So why the protest today? I thought Nigeria is supposed to be having independence.
We are not yet
Okay.
the government talking about the rule of our rights, which is very important. And the simple poverty in the land, there's been 60 years, 60 of injustice to other nepotism.
Yeah.
Only one tribe, which is the education system of Nigeria, dead, zero. The hospital is not working. So I tell you, what are we happy about? People are crying, they're in poverty. The roads are dead trap. There's nothing to be happy about. 60 years. This what has been since 1960. Babangida, all of them, they have been around since 1960, ruling, controlling Nigeria, and yet they're still there. Now they're bringing their children married to each other. Imagine, Yoruba daughter married to
Atiku.
son. Don't die in their war. That's why we're not saying we're all war. See, they're not happy the way they're right back. So consciously, they're
Waking up, yeah.
Nigeria, all our brothers, stop taking money from them.
Yeah.
Stop taking money. If you want, you can freedom. When you put up the same one, you didn't take money from them. Surely he will deliver. He will do what he has to do in the community.
That's correct.
So don't take money. Either Biafra, either Aguata, or Hausa. See what we're saying now. We need to build Nigeria. Not all these old carbohydrates. Imagine all the buildings in London have been most of all by new builders. Why you are not suffering? Are you telling me you need Nigeria? You know what?
So what's your demand? What's your final demand?
My demand is very simple. We want a new Nigeria whereby it works for everyone, like at all levels. We want a new standard hospital with expertise. We have expertise. Nigeria is the best and the greatest in the world. So now there's no ambulance. What's no emergency services?
Yeah.
There's no health services. What we're asking again, we want social security and welfareism to our age, young, and the have access and the job. That's what we're saying. And again, lastly, don't forget security. All this security, we need this. How can we guide this? How can we know? How can people not walk into a town like telling me you're a governor, you're a president, you cannot maintain to capture all these people? Come on, it's Thank you.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much, comrade. Comrade, may I know who you are, please?
My name is Dr. Idris Ajia.
Okay, you're a doctor, right, in the United Kingdom?
Correct, sir.
Okay, so why the protest today?
Well, the protest today is very simple. Nigeria is 60 years of failure today, and we're expected to come out and celebrate that. That is a shambles. The reason I'm here today is to demand for a brand new Nigeria that is based on principles that include everyone in the resources that we've got, sharing our resources, being our brother's keeper, eliminating the colonial borders and colonial ideology, starting anew and being together as one Ubuntu family.
So if you are to see Buhari now speaking to you, what would be your message to Buhari?
Tell him it's enough. Resign. Let people who are competent take the handle of the country. Let us do what we know we can do. There is a lot of people who are beaming with ideas on how to move that country forward. You've spent your time. We thank you for your military service and all that. Please go to Biafra, retire, and one day you will come back. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, sir. So everyone watching me live, this is what Mama says, okay? And as you can see, I'm here as I promised us. I said I'm going to be in London to bring this live to you, to actually tell the government, because I know they watch my channel, they watch this channel, and they listen to this channel. Reason is for people to see that these things are authentic, that the protest, when people say enough is enough, Nigerians are saying that the way they're being governed is nothing to write home about. Now, I will stop here for now. I will get us to the part 2 of this video, where you will see the unification of the Oduduwa people and the Biafrans. Once more, Mazi is okay, reporting to you live from Trafalgar Square in the United Kingdom.